I think in today's world, a lot of athletes work out more than once a day. And what that means is that the recovery interval becomes really short. It becomes critical. If you can't train well, you can't perform well ultimately. Well, in the last 25 years, one of the probably biggest sort of news items in our field in terms of sports science is the need for an athlete to recover nutritionally. This study simulates what swimmers normally do. We had the athletes come in the morning and do a very exhaustive exercise bout. And they would get out of the pool and we would start a nutritional treatment, randomized between water or a sport drink or chocolate milk. And then we would let them warm up again in the afternoon, and we went through a performance protocol that was again going to tax one of three metabolic systems that are normally utilized during the exercise bout. Consistently, the chocolate milk treatments always outperformed the other two treatments. The differences between the treatments is about 2 seconds, which is actually pretty large when you're talking about competitive swimmers. The quality that is important about the chocolate milk is that it contains the nutrients that the muscles need in order to do work. It's the ratio of carbohydrate to fat to protein that may be critical in terms of chocolate milk actually working. It's readily available, palatable, easy to digest and absorb, and we don't seem to have any problems introducing it into the athlete's diet. And a lot of athletes already use it.